Ever wondered how AI tools like ChatGPT are turning everyday people into millionaires? Stick around and I'll show you how to get started, even if you're a total beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to create wealth using AI tools and strategies. So let's dive in. Let's talk about how people are building what I like to call digital dollars with AI. These aren't futuristic concepts, they're happening right now and they're easier than you think. Here are 4 powerful ways to build wealth with AI. Strategy 1. AI-powered content creation. First up, content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva's Magic Write are revolutionizing blogging, video scripting, and social media marketing. Imagine creating an entire month of content in just a few hours. People are monetizing this by selling social media management services or by growing their own audience and earning through ads and sponsorships. Want to stand out? Focus on niche industries like fitness coaches or real estate agents. They'll pay top dollar for tailored content. Strategy 2. Smart bots, big bucks. Next, automation tools. AI-powered chatbots like ManyChat or Drift are helping small businesses automate customer service and sales. One entrepreneur I know uses these bots to manage online stores, responding to queries 24/7 and boosting conversions by 40%. That's real money with minimal effort. Watch out. Don't over-automate. Always include a human touch when needed. It keeps customers happy. Strategy 3. AI-driven e-commerce. Third, let's talk e-commerce. AI tools like Jasper for product descriptions and Shopify plugins like Inventory Planner simplify running online stores. I've seen people launch dropshipping businesses and scale fast by using AI to predict trends and optimize pricing. Combine AI insights with influencer marketing to drive traffic to your store. It's a killer combo. Strategy 4. AI consulting services. And finally, consulting. If you've learned how to use AI effectively, businesses will pay you to teach them. From startups to local restaurants, everyone's looking for ways to save time and money. Position yourself as an AI consultant, and you can charge hundreds, even thousands, per client. Watch out. Don't get overwhelmed by tools. Focus on learning 1 or 2 deeply before offering your services. Let's take a look at some real-life success stories. Meet Lily. She's a stay-at-home mom who made $100,000 in 6 months by automating her online store with AI tools like ChatGPT for customer emails and Midjourney for product designs. She didn't have prior experience, just a willingness to learn and experiment. Or take James, a former teacher who started an AI-powered resume writing service. Using tools like ResumeAI, he helps job seekers stand out and earns a solid $8,000 per month, working part-time. Now, here's how you can get started. Step 1. Choose your niche, whether it's content creation, e-commerce, or consulting. Start with what excites you most. Step 2. Pick the right tools. For beginners, I recommend ChatGPT for writing and Zapier for automations. They're intuitive and free to start. Step 3. Set small, achievable goals. For instance, aim to make your first $500 with an AI-powered side hustle within 30 days. And don't forget, there are free courses on platforms like YouTube or Coursera to get you up to speed. What's your AI business idea? Drop it in the comments and I'll help you refine it. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss next week's episode, AI Side Hustles That Pay Big in 2025.